What's up, guys, and good morning from Angeles City, Philippines. Beautiful, beautiful bright morning, sun shining. Just
what happened, sir? Before they used to have hotel here, right?
Hey, what?
They used to have hotel.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
I don't know if they had a hotel here. You want to be on camera?
No.
No, you don't want to be. They used to have. There were little like restaurants, little places to sit and eat, and I think what they did was I think they tore it down. I think that's what's going on. I am up here this morning. I need to get the N Max oil change and just have it gone over thoroughly and looked at. You guys, if you guys follow me, you know I had the issue with the insurance company here getting my car fixed. It has since been reapproved, reevaluated. They're covering it 100%. Like I said, positive mind, got to keep a positive thought. So that is taken care of now. So next Monday I will drop it off at the Toyota dealer, which puts me on the N Max, which I really need to get on that bike more often, especially now since it's just not as hot. So anyways, I'm up here. I'm going to show you where I'm at. Right here is the water department, right here. Not here. Right here, where you pay your water. This small street that comes up, this street goes all the way up. Right on the corners of 7-Eleven, MacArthur Highway's right out there. Flamingo Hotel is kind of right behind here. Well, there it is up there, Flamingo Hotel. I'm here at this place here. This place came highly recommended by my buddy Cowboy. He was having major problems with his N Max, and there's mechanics out there, but to find a good quality mechanic that knows what they're doing, sometimes it's hard to find. And he went to a lot of places until he discovered this place here. For sale? No, the place is not for sale. All these motorbikes are for sale. So if you want to come up here and check out their bikes, I guarantee you they're gone over very well. You're not going to buy a piece of junk, but this is a place called Top Gear. Tiny little place, but from what my buddy Cowboy, who is very particular, he recommended this place. There's the mechanic right there. He's going over and checking everything out. Highly recommend it. And the thing is, they have a lot of your parts here. Problem sometimes is if you go somewhere, they might not have the parts. But from my understanding, this place carries all your parts you would need for the N Max. They don't just work on N Max, they work on all types of bikes. Yamaha, Suzuki, Honda, they work on it all. So here's where I'm at. But I'm not going to hang out here. I'm going to take my morning walk. I'm just going to walk down the road here, shoot down the left, go down MacArthur Highway. Like I said, right down this road here is the Flamingo Hotel. I used to get money changed there, but since I found a better way to do it, I'm doing it that way. There's an M Lawyer. Here's your fish ball place. Fish balls, very popular. Morning. Morning. Here's your fish balls. Well, we got fish balls and intestines and all the other fun stuff, right? How you doing, Clea? You all right? All right.
Are you a vlogger?
Oh, yeah.
What's your page?
Philly in the Philippines. You gonna check it out?
Yeah.
All right, my man. Thank you. Like I said, kind of give you another landmark here. Comes an ambulance. Straight out there is MacArthur. The reason I don't go back to the where I bought the bike, there's your 7-Eleven. Good morning. The reason I go back to where I bought the bike to get it fixed or serviced, you know, the Yamaha dealer, my mechanic that was in there, this guy was top notch, and then he just turned around and left. And well, when he left, when he left, kind of seems like, I don't know, the guy was good. Let's put it this way, the guy was good. Plus my warranty on the N Max, it's over. It's done. So now I can go wherever I want. So yeah. Right there is Casino Filipino. That's been there a long time. I kind of like the, you know, the outside and how it looks. Morning.
Hey, well, good.
All right. New gym coming soon, huh?
Yes. Maybe 2 weeks more.
2 weeks more.
Yes.
Okay.
We are renovating.
What happened to the old gym? The owners kind of just rolled, just kind of pulled out, and now a new one's in. I see there's going to be a club upstairs,
yes.
where the old boxing gym used to be.
Sorry?
Where the old boxing gym was, right?
At the back. Yeah, we have the
back.
same white tie.
And this used to be called what? I forget the name of it.
Before it was Fitness Connection.
That's it. That's it.
Yes.
But bigger, better, right? Bigger, better. All right. Thank you, buddy. So you guys are familiar. A lot of people knew about this gym here. Evidently, it's been bought out and they're re-renovating, and upstairs there's going to be a music lounge. Businesses come and go. This is a one-way down through here. Right here to the left is there's two banks right here. One's Metro Bank, which I don't know anything about Metro Bank. Don't bank with them. And then BPI here on the left. I frequent this BPI quite a bit. Only the Mac machine. It's the only thing I use in there. I have, however, gone in there. There was an issue one time when I used the BPI Mac machine, and it withdrew money out of my account, but did not give me the money. So I did go into the BPI bank. They pulled it up in their system. They did see that they did realize there was a mistake, and they corrected it. I've been banking with BPI ever since 2012. Never had a problem with it. Maybe others have. I've never had it. I recommend BPI, but it's up to you. Then you got BDO. This place here, what is this? Huh. I don't know what this place is. Let me go see. This is Sunshine Ranger Hotel. They do have a restaurant in here. You can go in, you can eat. Looks really nice. I will definitely have to come up here one time and ask them for a tour, but all right, thank you, buddy. I've lived here going on 7 years, and I've driven by places like this a million times, but never stopped and checked it out. That's why a lot of times I like to get out and walk and see what's going on. There's a Jerry's across the street there, Jerry's Restaurant, which is a very popular restaurant chain here in the Philippines. They're in malls, they're all over the place. There's a foot and body massage. $128 Shabanico. Sorry if guys, I am known to butcher up these names of these places. I can look right at it, as I was told. You look right at it, yet you still butcher the name. Yes, I do. I am not gonna tell you that I don't. I do butcher the names, even if they're easy or simple, like I was told. Right there's another hotel. There. Hey, buddy, how are you? All right, shout out.
Shout out.
There's a wine and liquor place right here. Right there in that building right there. Got the Best Western. Inside there, it's called Savers Mall. But you've got Savers Appliance in there. You got a Cactus Jack in there, a restaurant, hotel. Maybe that is the back end of the hotel. Who Could be wrong. We got a Best Western Hotel in here. Nice place. Been in there multiple times. Namarai. It's another restaurant inside. I bought quite a few appliances out of there at the Savers. What do we have here? Oh, milk tea. These are your milk teas. $7-Eleven. There's a restaurant back in here. At least there was a restaurant. That says no parking. Oh wow, Salob. No parking. Yeah, I think there is a restaurant back in here. Nice back in here. Good morning. Is this the restaurant? Restaurant?
Buffet.
Huh?
Buffet.
Buffet. Oh, buffet. Oh, it's a. What kind of buffet is it?
International buffet.
International. What kind of food?
Sisig. There's
Is there a menu? You got a menu? Are you gonna?
They're not open yet.
All right, I understand. I just walked by and I seen it. So you don't have a menu of what's available on the buffet? Magkano for the buffet?
$2.99.
$2.99 buffet. Wow, that's
At the evening is $499.
yeah. What is
There's
$4.99?
unlimited steak.
Unlimited steak for $4.99. Okay, that's good to know. This is Grandma's buffet. All right, yeah, very nice.
This Samji.
Sam Gipsel or Sam Gipsel?
Yeah.
Where you cook your own food.
Yeah.
That's up here. Like $2.99 for the buffet, $4.99 unlimited steak. That's a good deal. That's a real good deal. Yeah, that is nice. But here it is nice.
That's Grandma.
Grandma's buffet. Is the owner a foreigner or a Filipino owner?
Filipino.
Filipino owner. Okay. How long have they been open? For a while? Is that the owner?
Yeah.
That's the owner. Okay. Very nice. Now let's go talk to the owner. All right, guys. So I just spoke to the owner. Very nice lady. Very nice lady. Soft opening right now. Their prices are according to lunch or dinner. 11 to 11. I think she told me 5:30 is when they switch over for dinner. The dinner buffet is a little bit more. I think, put it this way, well worth the money. Only for the simple reason, dinner time, their buffet is a lot bigger. She said they have pizza, they have tacos, they have Italian food, they have Filipino food. The steak she told me was T-bone steak. But guys, for, what is it, maybe, what did she tell me, $5.99 or something like that for the buffet for dinner time with a big huge spread, unlimited drinks when you go in. You can't beat that. That is an excellent price. I think this place, once it gets out there, is going to do well for the simple reason, and all you can eat $5.99 or $4.99 or $3.99 for the buffet for the lunch. That is a killer deal. That is a killer deal. The Filipinos love killer deals. They'd love to be able to go sit down somewhere and just eat. So good for them. Check them out. Like I said, here's MacArthur. If you're here, check it out. I don't do the food review, guys. You guys know that. But here is Savers, the Best Western. Down that way will be Robinson Mall over the bridge. There's a 7-Eleven here on the left. Right there is Casino Filipino. So it's between Casino Filipino, which is right there, and the Savers, the Best Western. Go across the street here, and they have, you can park up and down this road in the evening. There's not as many cars parked here, but it's not this place here. Grandma's steak, lechon belly, quesadillas, pasta, pizza, Grandma's Unlimited. All right, guys, before I end this video, I know people want to know how much should I spend. to get my to get Mad Max basically fully gone over and rejuvenated, or a complete makeover. What did he do? Changed the oil. There is no oil filter on the bike, so he changed the oil, changed the antifreeze, changed the spark plug. I mean, this guy tore it apart, as you can see in the video I'm running right now. When he drained that oil, man, it was black. It was black. He pulled the throttle body off, carburetor like off, and he showed me the inside. It was filthy. He told me that's because of the air filter I'm running, the open air filter. He said that happens, but man, did he go through this bike. Cleaned it all up, about 4 hours, almost 5 hours worth of labor. Did an amazing job. I mean, this guy to me is a mechanic, and I highly recommend him if you're in Angeles City and you need bike work done from a mechanic, not somebody that just turns the wrench on your bike. Highly recommend the place. Price wise, it came to about $3,400, something like that. Let me look. I have the I have it right here. 3,400. At today's peso exchange rate, 58 pesos on the US dollar, came to about 56 bucks. You can't beat that. What are they getting for labor back in the States? Just labor, right? So that's what it came to, 56 bucks. Guy did an amazing job. Mad Max, I could feel it's got more pep in its step, but I'm very happy. So with that being said, guys, we'll talk to you later.